Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make cold pressed coconut oil. As you can see from this video, I'm using matured coconut so that I can get much oil from my coconut. Start by breaking your coconut and cut them into blendable size. Transfer into your blender. Add some water and blend smoothly. After blending the coconut and it becomes smooth, transfer into a cheesecloth to juice out the milk from it. Just in case if you don't have a blender to blend your coconut, you can use a grater like this to grate your coconut smoothly. Although this is a little bit stressful and more time consuming, but it is quite effective as blending your coconuts. After grating, add little water to it. Squeeze with your hands to release the milk from it. Transfer into a cheesecloth to juice out the milk from the coconut. I'm going to show you two different methods of how to make cold pressed coconut oil with refrigerator and how to make cold pressed coconut oil without refrigerator. After juicing out the milk from the grated coconut, I'll set it aside, then continue with the blending of the remaining coconut. After juicing out the milk from the coconut, these are the chaff I got from the coconut. I'll go ahead and blend it the second time. This is totally optional. I'm doing this just to get more milk from the coconut. And this is the coconut milk I got from the coconut. So the next thing I'll do is to prepare the coconut milk for fermentation. So I'll be adding some to a bowl, which I'll be using for the second method on how to make cold pressed coconut oil with refrigerator. Cover with a cling film. Store at room temperature for between 12 to 24 hours. And the other one, I'll be transferring it into a nylon. Tie it and let it sit straight on a bucket. Both the first and the second method, I'll be leaving them for about 12 to 24 hours. This one tied in a nylon is how to make cold pressed coconut oil without refrigerator. And this is like 18 hours. The coconut milk on the nylon and the bowl have both fermented. In the nylon, the oil and curd is up while the water is beneath. So I will pierce the nylon with a skewer stick so that the water can leak out. As you can see, the curd and the oil cannot pass through the tiny hole. Only the water can pass through. After releasing all the water from it, transfer into a bowl. Then cover with a clean film. Take to the sunlight so that the oil can separate from the cord. Or you can leave at a room temperature, though it takes longer time for the oil to separate from the cord. As you can see from this video, the oil has separated from the cord. The oil is on top while the cord is beneath it. So I'll go ahead and scoop the oil from it gently without touching the cord. So I will scoop gently with a spoon into a bowl with the help of a sieve without touching the cord. And here we have our cold pressed coconut oil made without refrigerator. But to solidify it, take to the fridge for it to become solid. And this is how it looks like after solidifying it. And now that we are through with the first method of making cold pressed coconut oil without refrigerator, let's move on to the other method of making cold pressed coconut oil with refrigerator. As you can see, the cord and oil has settled on top while the water is beneath it. So I'll take to the fridge for it to become solid. And here is what it looks like after refrigerating it. You can see that the cord and the oil has become solid. So I'll gently remove the cord and the oil from the water. So I'll transfer the cord and the oil into a bowl and put under the sunlight so that it can melt very fast. It can also be kept in room temperature, though it takes longer time for it to melt. Cover with a clean film and take to the sunlight. After 1 hour of putting it in the sun, I'll be bringing it back. As you can see in the video, the oil has separated from the cord. The oil is up while the cord is down. So the next step is for me to take it to the refrigerator for it to become solid. Once it's solid, I'll be bringing it out. Then I will gently remove it from the bowl. Next, I'll be scraping off the cord from the oil gently with the help of a knife. So I will add it to the first cord we got from the first method. As you can see, there is much oil in the cord, so we'll be extracting the remaining oil from the cord with hot press method. So after scraping the cord from the oil, I'll add it to the other one. As you can see, both the first and the second method came out alike. Now the next step is to get the remaining oil from the coconut cord. So I'll transfer into a cooking pan, take to the heat and begin to cook. Cook on a medium heat. Stir at intervals so that it doesn't get burnt beneath. Cook until the coconut cord becomes golden brown. When the cord has released all its oil and it turns golden brown, turn off the heat and allow to cool down completely. As you can see from the video, with the help of the hot press method, we've been able to get more oil from our coconut. Filter the coconut oil with the help of a cheesecloth to remove its residue from it. Please, if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And to my amazing returning subscribers, I want to say thank you so much for being part of this journey. Please, if you find this video very helpful, kindly click on the like button, comment and share this with your loved ones. And now we have our cold pressed coconut oil on my right side, and on the left is the leftover cord we extracted with hot press method. Thanks so much for spending your time with me. See you in my next video. God bless.